Hi everyone, Ed at Are You Cars again. This morning we've got this 2014 64 registered Audi A4 Avant. It's a 2 litre TDI 177 and it is the black edition. It's done 80,000 miles, it's got 8 services. It's finished in the brilliant black with the black leather and it's absolutely mint. Obviously being the black edition, you've got the black grille, the xenon lights, the 19-inch rotor alloys which are all freshly refurbished. Full black pack, absolutely stunning on the bodywork. Look at that shine. All your tyres and brakes and things are good. Really, really nice car. We started showing the reg number because we get inundated with people asking for them, so there you go, there's the reg if you need it. Absolutely immaculate. Couple of tiny stone chips. Other than that, very good. We'll show you inside. This one's got the power tailgate, which is quite a rare option. Got your load cover all there, all very clean and tidy to boot. Not doggy or anything like that, no funny smells. Got your split fold rear seats. Inside, it's got the black leather with the Isofix and your centre armrest. This one also benefits from the extended leather door armrests. Again, a nice option to have. Super clean, this car. You've got your flat bottom steering wheel, your auto lights and wipers. Again, leather door armrests. The vehicle has done 80,621 miles. We'll just start it. There you go. Service due, but don't panic, that's all being done as part of the sale. It's all included within the price, there's nothing extra to pay. The price you see is the price you pay. So, no warnings, all good there. This one's got cruise control, heated seats, dual climate control, and the AMI, not AMI, sorry, the MMI, with the DAB radio and the Bang & Olufsen audio. It's also got the media. No, we don't want to navigate to a fuel station. I just want to show people the media. So it's got the duty horse. Oh, it has got AMI as well. I'll get the glove box. Just there, look, whether or not you can see it on the video. Auto dip mirrors, etc. And that's really it. Well spec'd, black edition. And it is the 177 horsepower. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.